Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are new here, then I'd love for you to join my little family and subscribe down below. I post vlogs, lifestyle and all sorts of fashion and all sorts of videos like that, so I'd love for you to join me. So today's video is going to be a CHERRYZ haul. I was so excited a few days ago when CHERRYZ emailed me and asked if I wanted to work with them again. So I did, and then literally I ordered this stuff about 2 days ago, and the delivery, as like it was the last parcel, was so fast. This came in like 2 days, if that. And yeah, I thought it would quickly go through. I have opened the box, had a little sneak peek. So we're going to have a little look and I'll show you what I got. Don't forget that you can use my discount code to get 20% off. I'm pretty sure it's HW20. I'll pop it on the screen now. And yeah, don't forget also you have to go on the app to use the code because it doesn't work on the website. So without further ado, let's get into what I got. Thank you to CHERRYZ for gifting me all of these items. I'm so grateful that they want to work with me again. So yeah, so I've got a variety of things this time. I didn't want to get the same. I tried to change it up a little bit because I didn't want it to be too boring. So first thing I got is a notepad. I was very tempted last time to get a notepad, but I didn't. This is one that says all you got to do is believe. And it's really cute, and it's got little sections in it. It's just a plain notepad, but it's got little dividers. I thought this would be really good for writing like my gratitudes and things in, as obviously it says all you got to do is believe and things like that, and all the manifestation. I'm not so good at like sticking to it, so I really want to have like a specific notepad just for that. So I thought that'd be perfect. All of these items as well was so cheap. This I think was like £2, if that. Everything is so cheap, honestly. I think probably the most expensive thing was like £3 or £4. CHERRYZ is literally like a home bargains or B&M, but online. So if you don't want to go to the shop and you just thought you order some stuff, it's like such a good alternative. Next thing I got was some little tubs. Like I thought they'd be really good. They are a little bit smaller than I thought, but I mean, not that they look small on the website, but it's hard to tell, isn't it? So they've got 3 of those, but they're still a really good size actually. Actually, they still would be a good size to have like a salad in or something, and some like snacks to take with you. So they're great. Also guys, I was a bit gutted when the box came. Not gutted, I'm very grateful. But last time when I got my CHERRYZ order last time, I had like the pink CHERRYZ box, and this time it's just a box with the CHERRYZ on. So I was like, I wanted the little pink logo on it. I've got some Skinny Whip bars, although I was thinking yesterday, I don't know if I can actually have these, whether they have gelatin in them, but I don't think they do. Oh yeah, suitable for vegetarians. That's good, because I'm glad now. So the next thing I picked up is a face mask. This is a reusable ladies face mask, and they're just really handy to have. I feel like I always need face masks. I'm always picking them up because I lose them, and we might share them. Obviously, if we share them, we clean them. So yeah, I always need a face mask in my life, especially like to put in my car. Sometimes it's really handy to have some in your car in case you forget one, then you've got one. So yeah, I love that. I think it's like £1 as well. Next we've got a Imperial leather cotton clouds and white cashmere shower cream. I always love picking up things like this because it's just super handy. So yeah, love that. Next thing I picked up, which is a bit of an adult purchase for me, is some Incredibles in wash scent booster, and it says up to 10 washes, and it's fuchsia and pearls. Fuchsia? I've never actually tried these, but I think, yeah, you pop a scoop in your washing machine. I just thought they were interesting. I thought give them a go and see what they're like. Next thing is some mouthwash. I thought it'd be I always find it handy to pick up things that I know I'm going to use, like my essentials. So I love a mouthwash. And then I've got a hand soap because we, again, need soap, and these ones are great. This was like £1, I think, for this massive tub of hand wash, and it is an antibacterial one, which is what we need right now with COVID. So love that. So I picked up a couple of products from the Skinny Food Co. If you watch my vlogs, you'll know that I love Skinny Food. So I didn't realise they actually did like a mayonnaise. So I picked up a mayonnaise because if you watch my videos again, or my food videos, I mean what I eat in a day, you will know that I love mayonnaise. I have mayonnaise with like most of my meals, or most of my evening meals anyway. So I thought it'd be really good to try the Skinny Food and Co one, because it is vegan, it's gluten-free, fat-free, 0 dairy, no added sugar, and diabetic friendly. So yeah, thought that would be really good. And the other one I got was the salted caramel syrup. flavour syrup with sweetener. I've tried the maple syrup one and I haven't tried the salted caramel, so I thought we'd give it a go. I thought it'd be great on porridge as well, even though we're coming out of like porridge weather, but yeah. So I've got a couple of things that are a bit different I thought I would just get. So first one is some Nipple Daisies. The lighting's not really, sorry, the light's a bit weird today. These are disposable Nipple Daisies. So they're discreet and easy to apply. I just thought they'd be really good because basically you put them on your nipples, Nipple Daisies. Just like if you don't want to wear a bra, I thought these would be perfect because there's a lot of times where I'm like, well, I don't want to wear a bra, you know, so I could pop these on under like a top like this. I'm wearing a bra today, but if I had these underneath on my nipples, then I could just wear this top without having to bother about wearing a bra, and it'd be great. So yeah, those are like really clean. I think they were like 50p or £1, and you get 5 pairs. Thought they'd be a great thing to have handy. And another thing that I got, which I didn't even realise Cherry's had until this time, is some lube. This is a strawberry flavoured lube, and I thought, I was kind of like, oh, strawberry. Okay, so I thought I'd get that to, again, have handy for when COVID rules are restricted. Honestly though, Cherry's actually have so many things like this, like lube, and they also have vibrators on there. I haven't bought one because I just don't need one because I have sex toys. Not gonna lie, I'm not gonna, you know, it's not a secret, is it? Like, I don't think it should be a secret or taboo subject. So yeah, I just picked that up for like £1. Next thing I got is some mini eggs, Milky Bar mini eggs. I love these, they're so good, especially Easter time. I don't know if they do them when it's not Easter time, but they're good. And I love white chocolate, so yeah. Next we've got some zinc, because I've got about 2 of these left, I think, from last time. I ordered these in my last CHERRYZ haul. I will also link my last CHERRYZ haul up in the iCard or like in the description box if you missed it, if you want to see what I got then. So yeah, those are great, and I thought I would stock up. And another thing that I bought in the first CHERRYZ haul, some fairy liquid, because we all need this. And as much as I kind of didn't get too many cleaning products this time round, I thought I would get a couple of things just because it's handy to have them, and I'm sure my mum appreciates that I've helped her out by buying some fairy liquid. And on the cleaning note again, we've got a few more cleaning products. I picked up some surface wipes, the anti-black wipes, because I think we've run out of these in the house, and we do use them, so they're great and they're really inexpensive. I think this packet is like, I think it was like £1.50 or something like that. Yeah. And then on the cleaning line again, nearly at the bottom of my box, we've got Zoflora. I picked up the Linen Fresh because that's great for this time of year, and I also picked up a Fabulosa, and this one's a black cherry Merlot, which I've not tried, so I was kind of, you know, intrigued by that. Ooh, that smells nice. It smells like Dr. Pepper. Don't drink it though, kids, it's not Dr. Pepper. And the final 2 things in my box are some gummy sweets, which these are the gluten-free gelatin and gluten-free gummy bears. I think I picked up these ones last time, or some very similar ones, and they were very nice. I try not to have too many at a time though, because I think they do say on the back that they have laxatives in them, so you shouldn't eat too many, because we don't want the shits, do we? I'm pretty sure it says that on here, or it did, the last packet did anyway. It says, excessive consumption may produce laxative effects. These sweets contain maltitol, sensitivity to which can vary from person to person. Please eat responsibly. So eat them responsibly, guys, you know, you don't want the shits. And the final thing I picked up was a candle. I don't know, I go through phases with candles. Like, I went through a proper phase at Christmas of burning candles like all the time, and at the moment I just don't. I need to get back into it because I have some wax melts and things like that, and I do think I'm getting some wax melts sent to me soon, which is a bit of a sneak peek. So I need to start burning them so I can, you know, like make more room for them. So this one is by the Candle Factory, and it's just a little, well, it's not, I think it's like bigger than a mini. It's Blushing Bellini. Smells nice, just a nice scent for summer. So that is that little candle. Yeah, it's not like a mini one. It's bigger than the Home Bargains mini ones, if you know what I mean, from Wickford & Co. But it's not a big one. It's like the mini version of, in fact, let me show you. This is the big version of the candle that I bought in my last CHERRYZ haul. So it's like the mini version. So yeah, I love their candles, the Candle Factory. I need to actually finish burning this one because this one is a Coconut Beach Coastal Mist and Frozen Glacier. And it's really nice, so I need to finish burning that. I'm only halfway down. So that is everything that I got from CHERRYZ this time, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And again, don't forget to use my CHERRYZ discount code on the app only to get 20% off. Honestly, it's so exciting that I've got like a discount code. So it makes me so happy when brands reach out to me like that. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you're new here, and turn the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.